Hey everyone! I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I'm going to guide you through updating to the latest minor version of an NPM package in your project. This could be a great way to access some of the newer features and improvements without making the leap to a major new version, which might introduce breaking changes. So let's dive in. Before we start, a quick refresher on semantic versioning. When you see a package version, it's usually 3 numbers separated by dots. The first number is the major release, the second, minor, and the third is the patch. Today, our mission is to update to the latest minor version available. To begin with, we need to see what version of the package is currently installed in our project. For this, we'll use the npm ls command, and there we have it, the version of our package. Now, let's verify if there's indeed a greater major version available. This can be done using the npm view command. Look at that, the latest major version available is 3, but we want to find the latest minor version for major 2, so let's modify our view command by adding the versions argument. This gives us a list of all the versions. Now we have a long list of all the versions conveniently sorted. But it might be a bit tricky to spot the highest minor version for major 2, especially if the list is super long. So let's get creative here. We'll use the JSON flag for a well-structured output. To make things even easier, we'll bring in the JQ library to filter this output. With its built-in function select, we can sift out versions that are greater than our current one, but less than the next major. And voila, at the end of the list, we have our target version 2, 1473.0. We've successfully found the latest minor version for our NPM package. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to update to the latest minor version of an NPM package. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.